Hello guys, welcome to my world of programming. My name is Tumitladi and I want to do something completely different this time. Okay, this won't be part of the agenda. We are done with the agenda part 1 and part 2, but what I'm about to do right now is not part of the agenda. However, please go and visit this YouTube channel. I know you'll find it very helpful, and all the videos I'm making right now, they're going straight to license setting tips YouTube channel. They're short, simple, straight to the point, right? I'm gonna do something a bit different. I have a little bit of funny functionality on my app on this specific page, videos page, and I want to show you that I'm gonna do some changes, small changes. Go via create a commit via GitHub. GitHub is gonna send that to Azure DevOps. So I have my GitHub ready for me. So there's my GitHub, and then I have Azure DevOps ready for me, and then we'll take a look at that. Let's start with GitHub. I'll come back to this guy. So there's something that I realized. On Sunday, I asked a good friend of mine on his iPhone 13 to see this page, and I saw a very funny behavior. So firstly, I'm gonna do a couple of things. I'm gonna go to the views, content pages. Like I said, I'm giving you the glimpse of what to expect when we do these private sessions, right? So I need to remove certain things. Like I need to see if what's causing this is not gonna be, like, for example, the network speed. Do I want to show network speed? So what I'm gonna do, I wanna do this. I don't wanna show network speed. I don't wanna show local notifications. I don't want to check for connectivity and text to speech. You see what I'm doing? I'm doing a whole lot of things. And another thing that I want to remove, it's going to be this add mobs, this event handlers for add mobs. For ads, because I believe they are the last thing I added on this page. That now, yeah, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wanna really comment these guys out. We're gonna leave this guy because something is destructive here, and now we have a whole lot of issues. This method, I'm not calling it, so, but it's fine. I don't want to show network speed. I need to see. I don't want to show this guy. Duration on back, it's okay. Collection view, it's okay. Autoplay, it's okay. Initialize this guy. Let's do this. And we're gonna have one issue here because something is a bit off. Okay, we've cleaned that. This won't impact. It won't impact. These ones is when the video is playing, so it won't impact. Okay, I think this is it, because I want to try to build this guy to ensure that we don't have issues, especially with the view model. So let's see, inside the constructor, are we doing anything? We are showing the info. Check network speed. Let's not do that. We don't want to check the network speed, like I said. So if I called off this method that calls it, still building. I want to see. Then I'm going to create a quick commit. This won't impact. This won't impact. This won't. This won't. Now the pinning, it won't impact, because you're gonna have to tap that pin guy. So I'm not worried about that one. Autoplay, it might not. Okay, so while it's building, we're gonna create a commit message. So let's go to GitHub quickly, because this is where I like to create my commits, and I want to show you. But I'm targeting specifically iOS. So what I want is this. Okay, so this is how I create my commit message. Today being Tuesday. Okay, let me give this guy a few seconds. Tuesday being the 3rd of October. And then there's going to be build number 66, I know, on version 229, because this is iOS. Attempt to resolve issues on videos page. There we go. That's my commit message, right? I'm going to send this guy and it's going to go. I'm just waiting for the build. I don't know why the build is taking this long. All right, so we know this guy. So let's quickly go to GitHub. Now on GitHub, when it comes to pull requests, we're gonna create a new pull request. So the way it works, one iOS, this one, I just want the message. And then we're gonna create a pull request in a second. So I'm not really sure why it's taking this long. In fact, let's stop that. Save this guy. Build again. Why is it taking so long? So basically what I'm showing off is I'm attempting to resolve the issue. It's not gonna land. It's gonna land it to Apple Store, but it's not gonna go via the review. It's gonna land it to test flight where I'm gonna testing this in production. So why am I doing this? You see, this is the simulator, it's working. But on the physical device, especially with the iPhone 13 I tried, it doesn't want to work. It's fine. This won't cause problems. I just need to finish this thing. So let's hit stage all. I've already changed this guy, so let's hit commit and then push, and then give it a couple of seconds. There we go, it arrived. And now if I go and say the branch, let's first refresh to confirm this one just arrived. Here we go, just now. If I go to iOS, there are some changes. If I click that guy, we want master to go to yes, master to go to iOS, create a new pull request, and this will be the message. I just need to increment this build number 66, but this stays to 229 and 229, right? Create a pull request. Now, as I create a pull request, let's quickly go to Azure DevOps. So on Azure DevOps, if we go to our pipelines, like I can teach you all of this. You see there's nothing that's currently running for both Android and iOS. I can teach you all of this. That's why I'm here, right? So now I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna merge pull request. Yes, I know what I'm doing there. Confirm. As soon as I confirm, there we go. It went to Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps, in a second, this guy will be triggered. Few seconds. Azure DevOps. Let me hit refresh. There we go. So this guy has now been triggered, as you can see just now. If I get inside, it's now what building this guy. If there are issues, in any case, it will tell me. So it's doing all of this, and then I can teach you how to set all this up, like looking at the job, you know, initializing the job. There's a whole lot of tasks underneath this guy. So I can teach you for 25 Rand per session. We'll take our time. We'll set this up. Do you understand? So it's doing a whole lot, as it's gonna do pre-job initialization, all of these things. They're gonna go successfully. It knows what it's doing. It's building, and then it's gonna deploy to App Center. It's gonna land it to Apple Store. So it knows what it's doing, right? So like I said, 25 Rand per session. The session's an hour, Monday to Friday, any day for an hour. If you know anyone who might be interested, just holler at me. Like I said, this is a production system fully integrated for both the database, MVC, Web API, all the way to the mobile app or iOS app. See you next time. I'm just going to let this thing finish.